My 3D printed Sandevistan wall light is finally done and this thing looks sick. Now, I wanted it to be RGB, but you guys recommended making it solid green, so I added a button that would switch between colors. And since we added RGB and green, I decided to add red and white as well, just for some extra detail. I painted it charcoal gray to make it similar to the show and made the details black, but the real question is, should I make the screws silver? I personally think it'll add a little bit more detail. Now if you want your own, you can get them on my website and the file's coming soon. Just remember, this is a wall light, not a cosplay prop. There's a couple fixes I have to make it high quality, but the file will be out this weekend.